Welcome back. Just about 6:44 this morning. Your money could transform Martini Corner.
A developer has plans to turn an old building on 31st and Oak into a retail hub.
Today, he will ask the city for help paying for that project. 41 Action News reporter Charlie Keegan joins us from Martini Corner to explain. Charlie.
Good morning, Lindsay and Taylor. Yeah, the developer of this building is already working on it, trying to transform it into those retail storefronts. He's paying for most of the project himself, but also asking to collect a little bit of extra sales tax to fund the rest of the project. Now, to generate that sales tax revenue, he has to have the city establish what's called a community improvement district. He says that district will allow him to collect about $2.5 million over 25 years and allow him to pump new life into this old building, which would benefit the community here.
My project needs a lot of TLC, maybe is the right way to say that, but hopefully with the city's support, we'll be able to have the resources we're going to need to be able to make this into something fantastic.
On the flip side, there are some critics. We spoke to one woman who opposes this idea so much, she actually sent a letter to the city telling them to vote no. She says this district is too narrow. It's only one business benefiting and nobody to hold that business owner accountable on how he spends that money.
This is a big reason why you'd want to oppose a single owner CID. So this particular CID is probably the worst proposal I've ever seen come across the desk.
Well, city council members will be able to review all this later today. The Neighborhood Development and Planning Council meets at 1:30 this afternoon, but it needs to get a second approval from the full city council before that district is set up and ready to go. Reporting live, I'm Charlie Keegan, 41 Action News Today.
Charlie, thank you. Like we told you before, the creation of a CID allows private property owners to assess or tax themselves for improvements or services that benefit the community. So we found the city's site listing all of the CIDs. You see this map in Kansas City, Missouri. Every time you go to a business in these shaded areas, you are paying into that CID, that extra sales tax.